People are furious at a robot serving pancakes at Denny's.
Yeah, there's a TikTok viral video that just popped up.
Of course it was.
They're not making the pancakes, but they're serving them.
So why do the people get so furious, man? Like, I mean, look at this friendly robot right here.
I guess there's two sides of the coin where people like servers complaining that, oh, these robots are taking our job.
Oh, of course.
But on the other hand, servers were defending this robot because it could be super busy, and then the servers end up being just runners of just, plating and then, or not plating, but just, getting the food out.
Okay, so here's last time I think we talked about this or something like this. We were just kind of focusing on the technology. And but when you said people were furious, I thought you meant the customers were furious.
No,
it was gonna, like it showed up at the table and then the pancakes flung off or something.
No, this was actually a nice experience. There's 2 layers, maybe 3, and then people just grab it from the robot.
Yeah, it's fun. It's kind of fun. But I also hear you, man. A lot of people employed as servers, so kind of an interesting one. This experience happened recently. There was a sushi place, actually. I was out of town.
Yeah.
Have you seen it?
I've seen it on TikTok. People actually just film it.
Okay, well, anyway, beside the hotel I was at, this is what it was. But instead, you can picture this with like fancy looking sushi and stuff on it. It's even more fun. You're like, wow, look at this guy.
They make it very cute too.
Absolutely.
Like if you're in the robot's way, it would just start yelling, like in a cute way.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I was like, hey.
Yeah, look, man, I'm a technology fan. The future, the Jetsons, all that stuff. Like, I don't know, man. It's just exciting. It's cool. It's fun. But I also hear the other side of it. I'm with you, Will. I don't know. People got to get jobs fixing the robots or programming them or loading them with the food or...
I guess make it more efficient.
I don't know.
Yeah,
double the size of the restaurant because you can now. I know that's not all the things that's going to happen. Look, man, the future is going to get rid of people, all right? What can I tell you? It's just going to happen. Like, I'm going to be
You're in the
obsolete.
metaverse.
Yeah, exactly. Like, it'll be some metaverse dude. It's going to be Mark Zuckerberg, all right? He's going to be sitting in my chair.
Yeah.
I'm going to feel very uncomfortable, too. So, I don't know.